welcome to Snot Map Making, part 2. It is just me today. No one else is here right now, and, we're gonna be doing a little, death run today. So, right now I'm in the hub, which, check it out. This thing is amazing. I hope I can find some someday. But, well, maybe in the future I'll look back at this video and be like, yeah, I remember I said that. That was a while ago. Now I actually have made one. So, yeah. We are going to be doing the, what is it called? I can't remember the name of it, but I will show you the name and the creator in a second. I will load in. I'm going to cut right now, and, oh, I guess not. Okay. So we're going to go into it. I can only record for 15 minutes with this free recorder thing, so that's slightly annoying. But let's see. It's somewhere in here. Huh. Let's see. There we go. Escape the World Parkour by Devon Studios. So I don't think I'm gonna do the um full game, but I'm gonna try it out, and hopefully along the way I can find out some tips. So I'm gonna cut right now, and I'll see you guys whenever I'm in the game. Okay, so we're in the game right now, and see here you can support him. Hopefully we will be posting some maps soon. We are kind of new onto the scene of like actually posting them. We're trying to get the 1,000 like followers or subscribers or whatever you need for the first before you can have a creator code and everything. So I can publish. But yeah. So like I said before, this is just gonna be a this is just gonna be a little bit of just like a fun death run thing. You can watch me. I'll talk maybe here and there, but mostly there'll just be like music in the background. Might be some humming or something, but I don't know. I haven't actually edited it yet. Trying to see. I thought this one might be like one's fake and one is real, but I guess not. Ooh, this one. This one's okay. Let's see. Did I choose correctly? Let's see. I did. About this one left. Oh, okay. Well, okay, right, and then it is right again. Do these kill me? These red ones? No. Okay. Go up here. I skip it. Yes, I skip part. Okay. I'm gonna pause and I'll. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had a little thing to do there. Oh, that's. Was I just supposed to like parkour up these? Oh, so they were red. I thought they killed. Don't fall in between. Oh, this is easy. You just yeah. How am I gonna find this? Do I just teleport out? Whoa. Okay, that was cool. I didn't. I don't think they did that. Let's see. Oh, that was close. Let's go. I'm almost there. Let's go. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, that was close. But I'm gonna So I guess I can like talk about what I want the future of Snow map making to be. Um, so I kind of want it to just be like this cool little channel with me and a few friends and everything, right? And I mean, you already saw Landon. There's gonna be a few more arriving, hopefully sometime in the next few videos. But yeah. So today we're just gonna be starting off with, you know, I posted the first video. That was kind of just like a test run for what this is going to end up being, and I think I'm in a new area now. Showed the new areas at the beginning, but yeah. So that was kind of like a test run, see if the screen recorder and everything worked, because that was my first time doing a YouTube thing. Hopefully in the future I will not just use my computer's built-in mic, and hopefully I'll have like at least a little thing. Oh, wow, okay, but yeah, and then oh, wait, how did I die? So, I just okay. I guess I can't dunk under them. Yeah, so I kind of just want it to be like a cool place where you could just kind of hang out and chill and talk about map making. You know, I'm not 100% sure what's gonna turn out, but I hope it'll be something good, and it's kind of promising so far. These are cool. I just wish I know there's a piece that's literally like lava dripping from the ceiling instead of these primitive shapes, so I kind of wish they added that because that'd be cool. Down the pit. This is okay. This is not safe looking. I don't really want to jump down there, but I guess I did. It's too late. What am I doing? Am I trying to beat these to the top? What are those for? What is it? Blue, yellow, blue. What's that do? Uh, okay. Oh, jeez, I almost fell. Oh, these are cool. They added the iridescent primitive shapes. Those are cool because they were like one of the first ones with like an actual texture and everything on them. Um, and they were the default ones, not the like second one that they ended up adding. But yeah, cool. Oh, and there's XP on it too. Slow. Am I jumping on these? Yeah. Oh, I'm slowed down. That's what it's slow. I thought it meant by like watch out. Okay. Guess we're slowed down. Oh, and gravity seems to be more. Or no, it seems to be normal. It just feels weird with the extra speed and everything. Mm-hmm. Disappearing X's. Whoa. Wow, okay. So the ones in the light will disappear, I guess? That's a cool little trick. Yeah, see, these are actually, they don't have like a bottom or corner or anything. So just like that one, I wish they used that for the luck drips and then just like spiraled it in a circle or something. Because that would be really cool instead of just like a cylinder. I'm hoping we can make it through the full map, but I'm not 100% sure. Choose the correct path. Okay. So normally if in like in Roblox or something, you could like do something with the camera and be able to go through it, but not here. So that, oh, okay. I guess I just guessed that first try. Yeah. Oh, okay. So if it's in light, it disappears. I gotta remember that for the next ones, because do not want to fall again. Do I just skip it or does it like okay. So I have to like skip it. I can't jump on it really quickly because it disappears like in minute. Let's go. All right, and then oh, next area. Okay, final one. Jungle mountains, glaciers, sea, city, desert. Oh wow. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, I'm gonna have to do probably like a two or three parter for this one. That's cool. These little boxes that you parkour up. Oh, that slightly surprised me. Jump, jump, jump. Right. Oh, you look like Minecraft jungle, please. Oh, and hopefully we'll be doing some Minecraft videos, maybe some vlogging. Kind of depends. Uh, yeah. So, quick shout out here, to anyone that's watching this is Landon from the second video that we posted. He has for anyone interested in like singing, he has an account on this thing called Star Maker, which he kind of teaches you how to sing, which I know it's kind of random considering we're going to be doing like games and stuff, but he's a really cool guy and he kind of gave me the whole idea for this and he is a part of it and he's just amazing. So I would love it if you guys were able to go check him out on there and who knows, you probably learn something. And he also has a second channel with his family, which is it's called Super Family Fun Stuff. So they kind of just like it's just a bunch of fun little things that he did with his sister and his parents and everything. So yeah. Woo! Oh, sorry. I'm kind of sick right now, so I have like a little cold. I'm okay. It's just like kind of annoying. So sorry if and I think I said this in like the first and second ones. But sorry if I sound terrible. I'm not normally this terrible, or my voice isn't this terrible. Uh, it's close, but Not this bad. And then there might be some like random sneezes and stuff, so sorry about that. We're gonna have to make trap baiting? Oh no. I'm not the best at trap baiting. I'm like good, but not the best. So it's a little bit worrying. Can I Oh, it's red, so I'm guessing that kills me. Oh, okay. Great. Can I just for the traps, or the spike traps at least, can I just yeah. These ones though. Has to be big. Got it. Got it. Okay, there we go. Little elevator, but a bouncer too. It's okay. Eh, I don't know why there's an elevator and a bouncer. Oh, dang it, my foot just like got stuck in the water there. Jump, 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 jump. Okay. What is this? They just want me to like, okay, got it. Oh, you know what'd be cool? I'm gonna also film this right after this video comes out. And I'm done with it and everything. I'm going to put in a Ice Dodo video, which for those of you that haven't heard of Ice Dodo, I'll kind of give you a quick explanation. You're like this little how do I right. How do I explain it? You're like a little cube thing on like an ice world. And you gotta control yourself through the level so you can't stop going forward, but you're able to turn left and right. So it's a bunch of these cool courses and stuff. And played it a while back and I'm hoping I can play it again. Because that'd be pretty cool to just, show you guys that. I know it isn't map making related at all. It's called snow map making, but like, yeah. Oh, yeah. Jump, jump. Ah, dang it. This part with the hill is kind of weird to go through. And I think they just put like a damage zone around every single one of these red bits, so that must have been difficult to do. Because damage zones, you can kind of just copy and paste them, but like putting them on all of these is kind of rough. Especially since, I don't know, you might want to change the settings or something. Yeah. Like tuning the size and everything. Next area, we are on the mountain. Okay, we're back. Sorry, it is a little bit later now. We had some, technical difficulties. uh, this keeps happening. It's kind of annoying. But this time it was just like storage space. So sorry about that. Um, didn't really cause anything too bad, and it was really just an annoyance for me. But sorry if it seems weird like that. Yeah. Watch it. Oh, oh, let's go. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Seems like just like easy parkour. I guess it's supposed to be easy. Oh my god, that part reminds me of this one level in I think it was Jeskrin's Holiday Death Run that I played a while back, and it was I think it was okay. Don't quote me on that though. Yeah, and there was this one where you had to jump at a specific time on a bounce pad, so you'd like walk onto it or one of those pads right there. You had to like walk and then like say this bouncer was the pad. I have to walk and jump right as I got onto it for extra height. Which actually just worked right there. I didn't know that worked with bouncers. That's cool. I might use that in a future map. Oh, oh, frick. Oh, 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 look at these dodges. Oh, 360. Come on, get the camera. Go. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, that's what I get for trash talking. Okay, there we go. Now I beat my arch nemesis, the singular red block that I started to trash talk. Oh, aw, dang it. I tried to mantle, but I guess it was actually